C3, C4, and CAM. 3 ways plants handle carbon. All use the Calvin cycle, but they manage carbon differently. In C3 plants, Rubisco fixes carbon dioxide. The first stable product is 3-PGA. 3-PGA has 3 carbons, that is why the pathway is called C3. C3 plants use the Calvin cycle directly. Carbon dioxide enters through stomata. Rubisco adds carbon dioxide to Ruby P, and the cycle can help make sugars. But Rubisco can also bind oxygen. When oxygen is high and carbon dioxide is low, that starts photorespiration. Photorespiration wastes energy and releases carbon dioxide. Hot, dry conditions can close stomata. Less carbon dioxide enters the leaf. Oxygen can build up inside, and photorespiration can increase. C3 uses Rubisco first. C4 uses PEP carboxylase first. CAM opens stomata at night to save water in dry conditions. C3 makes 3-PGA. C4 makes a 4-carbon compound. CAM stores carbon at night, then uses it in the day. C4 plants reduce photorespiration by separating steps in different cells. Carbon dioxide is first fixed in mesophyll cells by an enzyme called PEP carboxylase. PEP carboxylase forms a 4-carbon compound, often carried as malate. The 4-carbon compound moves to bundle sheath cells. Carbon dioxide is released there near Rubisco and the Calvin cycle. This raises carbon dioxide concentration and helps Rubisco bind carbon dioxide. C4 is spatial separation. Mesophyll cells first, bundle sheath cells next. This helps limit photorespiration. C3 uses Rubisco first. C4 uses PEP carboxylase first. CAM opens stomata at night to save water in dry conditions. C3 makes 3-PGA. C4 makes a 4-carbon compound. CAM stores carbon at night, then uses it in the day. CAM plants reduce water loss by opening stomata at night. At night, carbon dioxide enters and is fixed into organic acids. Those organic acids are stored often in vacuoles as malate. During the day, stomata close and carbon dioxide is released inside the leaf. The Calvin cycle runs during the day, using the released carbon dioxide. CAM separates carbon fixation in the Calvin cycle by time instead of by cell type. CAM is temporal separation. Night for carbon dioxide entry, day for the Calvin cycle. This helps conserve water. C3 is common in many plants. Examples include wheat, rice, soybeans, and many trees. C4 is common in some warm climate grasses. Examples include corn, sugarcane, and sorghum. CAM is common in many dry habitat plants. Examples include cacti, pineapple, and many succulents. C4 and CAM help reduce photorespiration, but they require extra energy. C3 uses Rubisco first. C4 uses PEP carboxylase first. CAM opens stomata at night to save water in dry conditions. C3 makes 3-PGA. C4 makes a 4-carbon compound. CAM stores carbon at night, then uses it in the day. C3, C4, and CAM all still use the Calvin cycle. C4 separates by dry space. Camp separate